Good morning, friends. Happy Sunday. I'm trying to get ready for the first week of October. I have a really good time with the kids. We get a lot of things done as far as Halloween stuff. It's my birthday month, so I'm really excited. But today I wanted to hop on here real quick and help you guys figure out how to grow your daycare and how you can make actually six figures. And I said that, yep, six figures and run a small home daycare. And imagine if you had a large home daycare with 14 kids, how much you can make a year. So this is what I did to break it down for you guys, to grow your daycare financially and how to save money. So the first one is, what do you offer in your program? So when you're a parent, they're gonna go to different daycares and see what you offer. Do you provide meals? Do you do lesson plans? Do you have a play yard? Or are you just basically just babysitting? So in my program, I offer different things. I have a summer program. We have like water play. We go to the park. We do different activities. We have pajama day, backwards day, crazy hair day. So I make it fun, for the children, and I'm offering a lot of different activities through summertime. I do a lot of different things for, like I said, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas time. I actually potty train. It's a different fee. Talk about that later. And then also too, I do breakfast. So I make breakfast, lunch, two snacks. I provide milk, juice, and water for the children. So like I said, the more you offer, the more you can charge in your program. So keep that in mind. Next, have a very detailed outline in your handbook for your parents. So in my handbook, I have vacation time. So if I have Christmas off, I'm going to say, okay, I have that off, and it's with pay. So make sure they understand that. So when I do my tour, I make sure that they understand that there's no confusion. So all my holidays get paid. So like Thanksgiving, Christmas Day, New Year's Day, 4th of July, things like that. I do make sure that the parent understand that I am going to get paid for that. Now, let's say they're sick or they go on vacation. I'm still going to get paid because they are paying for that child's spot. Next, charge more for infants. So when I first learned this business, trust me, you guys, the first 2 years, I was charging very little because I didn't think I offered that much. I didn't think that I had a big house. So I'm like, oh, what they want with me. But you know what? I have a small program and I do very well financially because it's what I offer. And they trust me with their children. So for infants, I will charge maybe like $100 more than you would for toddlers. So infants would be 0 months to about under 2 years old. And then toddlers would be 2 years old to about 4. Next, call around your area. So like I live in Orange County. So in different cities or different areas, you might have to charge less or more, depending on your area. So make sure you have the right pricing for you. Next, charge around $300 to $400 a week per child. So if you guys want this six figure like I do, I charge $350 for 6 kids. So I basically make over 6 figures per year. And that's only if I'm full. So of course, sometimes I might lose a child, but I basically make around $80,000 to $100,000 a year. And also too, you guys, you have to save. So I save basically majority of my money I get in because, taxes might come up, emergencies might come up. So I'll make sure I have a good emergency fund. And like I said before, every state is different. But for California, you do have to pay your taxes, especially if you're self-employed. So I do put away money for taxes. So I'll go over that later. I'll make another video about taxes. Like I said, you can make easily 6 figures, you guys, working in a small home daycare. You need to have 6 kids. Like I said, charge $300 to $400 a week and offer a lot of different things in your program. So the parents that's coming to your house and touring, they see that you're just not babysitting. You have to do a lot of different things in your program that you have a lot to offer. So I hope this has helped you guys. If you have any questions about making it 6 figures, you know, leave me a like, comment. I'll do my best to get back to you guys. You guys have a very blessed day, and talk to you later.